Welcome back, everybody, girls and boys. So I've been going at it since 9. I already disassembled all of them, and what I'm gonna go do, just go chill on the other side with my computer. Just remove all those staples. I mean, all these little nails. So I already removed all those staples right now. It's just a bunch of nails. But yeah, I pretty much disassembled them. Here are all the different plywoods. Yeah, so I'm gonna reuse, repurpose, make frames. But for right now, for an hour, I'm just gonna remove and prep all of these. Because all of these are ready to go. And then I'm gonna go to Harbor Freights and then pick up the proper blade to cut this plexiglass. It's gonna look badass. Alright, everyone. Now you already ate some papaya. Last night I had lentil soup, and I ate, I'm eating some cherries. I already drank some pineapple juice. Alright, everyone, I'm gonna go over there, and I've been watching Drumeo as I've been doing this, listening and watching and just, you know, studying and learning and discovering and exploring. Alright, everyone, I'll check you out later then. Peace.